Hey everybody, I'm Matt Maxwell, owner of Silver Hammer Inspections. I chose to be a sponsor and a participant in the Real Producers program because not only does it give me access to the top 10% of producers in my area, but it's a great networking opportunity. It's a chance to get with other people like myself who are small business owners and really get on the same page and build kind of a community of friends who are like-minded, and this is a great opportunity to get to know everybody.
Hi, I'm Kristen Kingsbury, and I'm so excited that they've put together Real Producers and Real Producers magazine in Northern Arizona. We have had such a need for community and connection and masterminding with some of the top agents who have awesome ideas. So we haven't had that in the area, and I'm super excited that they're bringing that to us.
Hey everybody, this is Grant Casado with Founding Fathers Collective. Thank you so much for coming out, allowing us to host you guys with Real Producers. Great job. Love to see all of you producing and adding value to our community and our region.
I was excited about Real Producer magazine because real estate is a competitive industry, and sometimes we are competing against our other agents on each side of a transaction. And it's really nice to get to know them in a social setting and to learn more about their life and what makes them tick. So that's why I love the magazine.